Hey there. In the last video I talked about Python set, how to create them, how to create a single element Python set and Python set with no element or empty Python set. I also discussed about the similarities and differences between a list, a tuple and a Python set, and some associated methods which are with say Python set, like add, here you can see, copy, discard, pop method, remove, update, clear method. So now in this video I am going to talk about few more methods like union, intersection, update, difference update, symmetric difference and symmetric difference update. For this I have created altogether two new sets. I just wanted to have some real world example. So I have created two sets. For example, you are working in a company where there is a pool of developers. So some of the developers know Python, so all their names are here in this set called Python, and then there is another pool of developers who know C. So I'm going to use this example going forward for this video. With this, let us jump into the union, intersection, etc, etc. Let us say your company HR comes to you and says that we have got a new project, so I need the name of the developers who know either Python or C or both the languages. Give me the dump of all such names. So we can do a simple union. So if I go and write here Python underscore C and say Python dot union, and I give here another set, union is going to return me a new set with the names which are members of either Python or C, or they are in both, and if the names are getting repeated it will be appearing only one time. So now if I run this code, python sets.py, here you see you have got Peter, Linda, Tim, Rose, Susan, John and Audrey, which is a combination of all these two sets. In fact, if there is a third set also, let us call it Java, and let me put some names here, Elon, then I put here Bill, then let me put here Helen, that much, and let me put one more name which is, let us say, common, for example Peter. I can pass here another set as well, and it is going to give me the output from all the three sets. So now it is going to give me all the developers who either know Python, who either know C or know Java, or they are in common. So it is going to give me all the sets, everything. Let me run this program. So if you see the output here it consists of all the three sets, and the names which are getting repeated it is still appearing only once. So this is our union. In fact, there is another way to achieve the same result. We can use pipe operator as well. So if I put here pipe operator and I say C, and I make this one a comment and run the program. Now again, if you see, this line is same as this, right? Now let us move on. Let me make it a comment. Let us move on to the intersection part. Now your HR asks, give me the name of the developers who know both Python and C. How will you do that? Intersection. Again, intersection is going to give me a new set, Python underscore C, and I write here Python dot intersection, and in the bracket I can write here C, and if I print this Python underscore, sorry, wrong spelling, Python underscore C, it is going to give me the names which are common in these two sets. So Peter and Linda, they know both Python and C. You can see here they are into this set as well, in the set for Python, and Linda is here in C, and here it is Peter. Again, like union, you can supply more than one set inside the brackets. We can have the same results using another operator which is called ampersand, and I can have the same output here. I am going to make this line a comment and run this program again. Here you see it is the same output as above. So this is intersection. Let's quickly jump on to the next method, intersection update. It is same like intersection, only difference with intersection is that it is going to make changes into the present set itself instead of returning a new set. So if I say python dot intersection update and put here C, and now if I print python, okay, let me copy this line and put it before as well. Yes, so clear the terminal, and can we do something like this? Let me write here before intersection, this is it, and let me copy this line and I am going to make it after intersection here, and this is after intersection. Let's run this program now. Now before intersection, you see our Python is same as the original set here, but after intersection it is showing me only Peter and Linda, which are common over here. Next is make it a comment, difference. Let me bring this set to down here so that it does not get out of our sight. Yeah, difference, if I go for difference again, it is going to return me a new set, and it will give me the difference of the all the members which are present in first set but not in the second set. Let me define a new set called diff, and if I say python dot difference and I put here C, and if I try to print diff, now it is going to give me, if you see here, John and Susan, these are the two developers who know Python but they do not know C. So it is going to give me the list of the developers who are knowing Python but not the C. Let's run it. Here you see John and Susan. Similarly, if I want that, give me the list or give me the dump of all the developers who know C but not Python, we can simply flip it. So if I make it a comment and let me come over here, I will just flip the order here, and if I run the program, now here you see Audrey, Tim and Rose, these are the three developers who know only C and their names do not figure into the Python set here. So this is going to give me the difference here. Let's make it a comment, clear the terminal. Difference and difference update, the only thing that sets them apart is that difference returns a new set, whereas difference update makes changes into the existing set. For example, if I print here Python set before, wrong spelling, before difference update, it should be our Python set. Let me copy this whole line up to here, copy, paste it here, and here I am going to write Python dot difference update and I am going to put here C. Run the program. Now here see, so this is it, Linda, Peter, John, Susan, same as this set, but after running the difference update, now Python set has become a set of two elements only, and these two members are John and Susan, who are present in the Python set but they are not available in the other set C. So this is the difference. Next one, let me copy this again and bring it down. Symmetric difference. What is symmetric difference? In difference, we have seen that we are getting the output which are the members which are available in the first set but not in the second set, and if we flip the order of the sets, then it is going to give me the members which are present in set second but not in set first. So if I write here, just to remind you, let me copy it from here. Where is this difference? Here, let me copy all these 3 lines and quickly come down here and uncomment them. And if I run the program after clearing the terminal now, so this is it. So here these 3 developers are available in set C, those who know C but not in Python. And similarly, if we wanted to have the other way around, we have to do something like this, and we have to put here C. Difference gives me members which are available in the set which is coming first but not into the set coming in the brackets or the parenthesis. But what if you want that? No, I want the difference between the 2 sets. So I want all the members which are in Python but not in C, and I want all those members which are in C but not in Python. So there we can use symmetric difference. So if I come over here and write here again diff Python dot symmetric difference, and I write here C, and as usual it is going to give me a new set. If I run it here, now I am getting here, you see, Audrey, she is in this set called C but not here in Python. John is here in Python set but not in C. Similarly, Susan, here she is in Python set but not in the set for C, and Rose and Tim are in this set for C. So this is the difference here. So that's the thing. If I clear the terminal, and before I move on, we can have the same result using a caret sign. So if I make it a comment, the same result here. Let's move on quickly to the last here. Symmetric difference update, it is just like symmetric difference, only thing is that it makes changes into the existing set, it does not return a new set. So if I write here Python dot symmetric difference update and I put here C, and if I put print now Python, now we are having all those members which are either only in Python or only in C. So this is symmetric difference update. It does not return a new set, it makes changes permanently into the current set. So this was it for this video. If you find this video useful, consider giving it a like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and do comment what would you like to see next. Till that time, happy coding.